Welcome back. Today doing a bit of plastic welding. I've only done this once or twice, so don't be blaming me if I put a hole in my plastic. So as you can see, that's snapped off there, so we'll get that clamped on. I've left the screw on so it's easier. So get that in the position. Just get your heat gun. Oh, moving the camera now. Okay, I'm back. So you can see there. So I'll just hold it down. Light comes on. Boom. Once that hardens, I shouldn't have pulled it out too soon, bugger. I've made a mess of this now. No, it won't come off. Come on. It's not hardened yet. Come on. There we go. So it's not the prettiest one. So now it's holding itself. It makes it a bit easier. I got carried away and pulled it out too soon. As you can see, it's not really covered, but it's not too bad. So we'll get the other one. We'll get the other side done. Put it in the gun. I just call it a gun. Looks like a gun. So lovely. So let's do it on the other side. Shaking a bit, but I just don't want to go through to the other side. I would not be happy. Make sure it's nice and hard. Blow on it before I start pulling it out. That's got a better hold. So you can see it's not really secure, but it's pretty secure, and I haven't come through, what I'm happy about. I might see if I can get another one on, maybe here, but I'm pleased with what I've done at the moment. Yeah, put one more on. Very good bit of kit, these plastic welders, and they're not very expensive. So we'll get on with bloody bagpipes. Can you hear them bouncing away? They've got the village fair on, not my back. So we'll try going just there. Okay, and then let it dry, and as easy as that, she's secure. What I am going to do is put some glue around it just to secure it up. So I've got some high grade marine silicone glue. Ah, that's hot. Oh no. Will I come through? What just spiked me? Huh. Just me being soft. No spikes through there, nothing's come through, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, what I was saying, bit of glue down there and in there to make sure it's nice and firm, but as you can see, solid. And all you need to do now is snip the excess bits off. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.